In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect AirPods to Garmin. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up your AirPods so they can be connected to any Garmin watch that you have. To start, make sure that your AirPods are sufficiently charged and that they are inside of the charging case. So now, open the lid on the charging case. For most AirPod models, this should put it into pairing mode, or alternatively just press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. So now that you have your AirPods charging case in pairing mode, you will have to go over to your Garmin watch screen and finish the process there. So access the settings, and depending on the model, you are either going to look for music or sensors. For most Garmin watch models, you just have to go over to the music category. But if you don't find the headphones option when you go over to music, then go into sensors and then choose add new instead. So when you head over to the music category or the sensors category, eventually you will be able to find headphones. So choose the headphones option, and immediately the Garmin watch is going to begin looking for nearby headphones. If your AirPods have been successfully put into pairing mode and they are inside of the case with the lid open, you will be able to choose them from the list of available headphones. And as soon as you select them from the list, they will pair themselves up with the Garmin watch, and now you will be able to use them indefinitely as long as they have battery available. Once they are out of battery, they will automatically disconnect, and you can repeat the process again. You just have to charge them up and they should automatically pair themselves up in the future. So to keep it simple, go over to the settings on the Garmin watch that you have and either go into the music category for most watches or the sensors category. In there, select add new and then choose headphones, and you will be able to connect your AirPods as long as they are in pairing mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to Garmin. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.